Did you know that the average American home contains approximately 300,000 items? That's right, 300,000! It's a staggering number, and when you stop to think about it, it's no wonder so many of us feel like we're constantly surrounded by stuff. Every drawer, every closet, every shelf seems to be filled to the brim with things we've collected over the years. It's true, we are surrounded by stuff. From the moment we wake up to the moment we go to bed, we're interacting with our belongings. Some useful, some sentimental, and some that just seem to take up space. From clothes and kitchen gadgets to books, electronics, and, sentimental treasures, our belongings really do tell the story of our lives. Each item holds a memory, a purpose, or a dream for the future. But as these items accumulate, it becomes harder to find what we need, and even harder to enjoy the things we truly love. Over time, what starts as a few extra things here and there can snowball into overwhelming clutter. It creeps up on us, filling corners, covering surfaces, and making our homes feel smaller and more chaotic. But let's face it, clutter can quickly take over. It's not just about having too much stuff, it's about how that stuff makes us feel. It can leave us feeling stressed, overwhelmed, and even a bit embarrassed. Studies have shown that clutter can actually increase anxiety and make it harder to relax at home. It can even impact our productivity and our relationships with the people we live with. Have you ever spent precious minutes searching for your keys, your phone, or that one important document, only to find it buried under a pile of other things? That frustration is all too common in cluttered spaces. That's where Chic storage solutions come in. They're not just about hiding things away, they're about creating a system that works for you and your lifestyle. They are the secret weapon for creating a home that's both stylish and serene. With the right storage, you can transform even the most chaotic room into a peaceful retreat. The best part? You don't have to sacrifice style for function. Today's storage solutions are designed to be both beautiful and practical, blending seamlessly with your decor and making your home feel more intentional. No more shoving things in closets or under the bed. Gone are the days of hiding clutter behind closed doors and hoping no one notices. We're talking about intentional, beautiful storage that elevates your decor while keeping your belongings organized. Think decorative baskets, sleek shelving, and multifunctional furniture that looks as good as it works. Imagine this. You walk into your living room and everything is in its place. There's no frantic searching, no piles to step over, just a sense of order and calm. There's a sense of calm and order, but it doesn't feel sterile or impersonal. Instead, your space feels welcoming, comfortable, and uniquely yours. That's the power of Chic storage. It's about more than just tidying up. It's about creating a home that supports your well-being and reflects your personality. It allows your personality to shine through while creating a sense of harmony in your home. When everything has a place, you have more time and energy to focus on what really matters, spending time with loved ones, pursuing your passions, and simply enjoying your space. Ready to transform your space from cluttered to curated? The journey starts with a single step and a little inspiration. Let's dive into room-by-room storage ideas that are as stylish as they are practical. Whether you're tackling the living room, bedroom, kitchen, or entryway, there's a solution that will help you reclaim your space and love your home again. The living room is the heart of the home. It's where we relax, entertain, and connect with loved ones. To keep this space feeling inviting and put together, consider incorporating storage solutions that blend seamlessly with your decor. One of my favorite tricks is to choose furniture with built-in storage. A coffee table with drawers or shelves underneath can house blankets, magazines, and remote controls. Ottomans with lift-off lids are perfect for stashing extra pillows or board games. And don't forget about the power of a stylish bookcase. It can display your favorite reads while also providing space for decorative boxes and baskets to conceal smaller items. The kitchen is often considered the busiest room in the house. It's a place where the day begins with the aroma of fresh coffee and ends with the clatter of dinner dishes. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast, packing lunches, or experimenting with new recipes, the kitchen is always alive with energy and purpose. From cooking and baking to gathering for meals, it's a hub of activity. Families and friends come together here, sharing stories, laughter, and delicious food. The kitchen isn't just a place for preparing meals. It's where memories are made, traditions are passed down, and connections are strengthened. But with all this activity, it's easy for things to get a little chaotic. That's why keeping this space organized is key to maintaining a sense of calm amidst the culinary chaos. An organized kitchen not only looks inviting, but it also makes cooking and cleaning up more efficient and enjoyable. Start by maximizing vertical space. Tall shelves, wall-mounted racks, and hanging storage can help you make the most of every inch, especially in smaller kitchens. Think about using the walls for pots, pans, and utensils, freeing up valuable counter space for meal prep. Open shelving is a popular trend, but it's important to be strategic about what you display. Choose items that are both functional and visually appealing, like matching dishware, glass jars, or colorful cookbooks. This not only keeps essentials within reach, but also adds personality to your kitchen. Group similar items together, such as glassware or white dishes, to create a cohesive look. Arranging items by type or color can make your shelves look tidy and intentional rather than cluttered. This simple step can transform open shelving from chaotic to curated. Utilize drawer organizers to keep cutlery, utensils, and gadgets in their place. Drawer dividers and trays prevent items from getting jumbled, making it easy to find what you need when you need it. This small investment can save you time and frustration every day. And don't underestimate the power of labels. Labeling your storage containers, spice jars, and pantry bins brings instant order to your kitchen. It's a simple trick that helps everyone in the household know exactly where things belong. Clear labels on containers and jars will make it easy to find what you need at a glance. No more searching for flour or sugar. Everything is right where it should be. With a few thoughtful touches, your kitchen can become a space of culinary calm and order, ready for whatever delicious moments come next. The bedroom should be a sanctuary, a place to rest and recharge. It's where you begin and end each day, so creating a peaceful environment is essential for your well-being. A thoughtfully designed bedroom can help you unwind, clear your mind, and promote better sleep. But achieving this sense of calm isn't just about soft lighting or cozy bedding. It starts with how you manage your space. Clutter can disrupt sleep and contribute to feelings of stress. When your bedroom is filled with piles of clothes, scattered books, or random items, it can be hard to truly relax. Visual chaos often leads to mental chaos, making it difficult to switch off at night. Even small messes can add up, creating a sense of overwhelm that lingers long after you've left the room. By incorporating smart storage solutions, you can create a serene and inviting atmosphere. Thoughtful organization not only makes your space look better, but it also makes it feel better. When everything has a place, you'll find it easier to keep your room tidy and your mind at ease. Smart storage is the foundation of a restful retreat. Underbed storage is a game changer, especially for smaller bedrooms. This often overlooked space can be transformed into a hidden haven for items you don't need every day. By utilizing the area beneath your bed, you free up valuable floor and closet space, making your room feel more open and less crowded. Invest in rolling drawers or stylish bins to store extra bedding, off-season clothing, or sentimental items. These solutions keep your belongings dust-free and easily accessible while also maintaining a clean look. Choose containers that match your decor for a seamless, cohesive feel. You'll be surprised at how much you can store without sacrificing style. A well-organized closet is also essential. It's the heart of bedroom storage, and when it's tidy, getting dressed each day becomes a pleasure rather than a chore. An organized closet helps you see what you own, avoid unnecessary purchases, and keep your favorite pieces in good condition. Consider adding shelves, drawers, or a closet system to maximize space and keep clothing neat and tidy. Customizable closet systems can be tailored to your needs, whether you have a large wardrobe or just a few essentials. Use baskets for accessories, dividers for shoes, and hooks for bags or scarves. Every inch counts when it comes to creating a clutter-free zone. And don't forget about the bedside table. This small piece of furniture can make a big difference in your nightly routine. It's the perfect spot for items you reach for before sleep or first thing in the morning. Choose one with drawers or a shelf to keep books, journals, and other nighttime essentials within arm's reach. A tidy nightstand means less searching for what you need and more time to relax. With smart storage throughout your bedroom, you'll create a space that truly supports rest, relaxation, and peace of mind. Bathrooms are often short on space, but that doesn't mean they have to be cluttered. With a few clever storage solutions, you can transform this small space into an organized oasis. Utilize vertical space by installing shelves above the toilet or next to the vanity. Baskets and decorative boxes are great for storing toiletries, towels, and other bathroom essentials. Over-the-door organizers can also be a lifesaver, providing extra storage for hair tools, cleaning supplies, or even jewelry. And don't forget about the power of hooks. They're perfect for hanging robes, towels, and even small baskets for additional storage. Whether you work from home full-time or just need a dedicated space for bills and correspondence, a well-organized home office can really boost productivity and reduce stress. A desk with drawers is, honestly, essential for storing office supplies, files, and other work-related items. Vertical file organizers can help keep important documents within easy reach, while shelves can be used to display books, plants, or, decorative items to personalize the space. And don't underestimate the power of a label maker. Clearly labeled folders, drawers, and containers will make it easy to find what you need when you need it. The hallway is the first thing guests see when they enter your home, so it's important to make a good impression. But hallways are often small and narrow, making storage a challenge. A console table with drawers or shelves can provide a stylish spot to store keys, mail, and other essentials. A mirror above the console table will not only make the space feel larger, but also reflect light, making it brighter and more welcoming. And don't forget about the power of a stylish rug. It can really define the space and add a touch of personality. Every home has them, those awkward nooks, crannies, and alcoves that seem impossible to decorate or furnish. But these often overlooked spaces can actually be transformed into valuable storage areas. A shallow alcove can be turned into a mini home office with a floating desk and shelves. The space under the stairs can be transformed into a cozy reading nook with built-in bookshelves and comfortable seating. And don't forget about the backs of doors. Over-the-door organizers can provide valuable storage for everything from shoes and accessories to cleaning supplies and pantry items. Creating a stylishly organized home isn't about achieving perfection. It's about creating a space that supports your lifestyle and brings you joy. By incorporating smart storage solutions that are both beautiful and functional, you can transform your home from cluttered to curated, creating a haven of peace and tranquility amidst the chaos of everyday life. Remember, a well-organized home is a happy home.